Nice one.
Following players are qualified for this doubles. Second stage, round 16, for Group 1, Pati Espinas, Crystal Marie Concepcion. Group 2, Jane Paul and Wilfred Rosales. Group 3, Elvis Poliano and Ariana Rosales. Group 4, King Oliver Borrell. Group 5, Michael Lloyd Pariman and Michael Lloyd and Netflix Pariman. Group 6, Rochelle Brown and Nikki Suchian. Group 7, JC2, Glory May 2. Group 8, Hillary Bismarck Jr. and Yellow Rinaldo. Group 9, Jason Borrell. Group 10, Jeremiah Orlando, Bruno Macalihan. Group 11, Johnny Baez, Giselle Leruga. Group 12, Jamal Castro, Princess Borbon. Group 13, Roy Mao, and Wesley Mali. Group 14, Top Tibayaki, Justin Arevalo, for Group 15, Edson Arevalo and Javier Vasquez. Please stand by for the round 16. Team 1, Patrick Alba and Precious Cosmo Alba. Kindly proceed to court number 5, please. Patrick Alba and Precious Rosny Alba. Second call for Patrick Alba and Precious Rosny Alba. And you proceed to court number 5, please. Samuel Lebron and Sailin May Vergara. Samuel Lebron and Sailin May Vergara. Second call for Samuel Lebron and Sailin May Vergara. And you proceed to court number 8, please.
Nakikita ko dun para sa pag tumabi ka dito, ate sabihin na lang. Parang kay si Kuya Ivan. Kaya ni kay ang puso ko ay naan sa'yo. Okay mo, swerte mo. Nakakain mo.
Ladies and gentlemen, mixed doubles C round 2. Matching Earl Obambo, Menchi Hernandez,
Nice one.
Earl Obambo, Menchi Hernandez versus Apatiel Kashmir and Marian Pius, court number 1. Court number 1, Earl Obambo, Menchi Hernandez, Apatiel Kashmir and Marian Pius, court 1.
Okay lang. Nice. Nice one. Bayno. Hindi po patay. Nagulat ako sa ating Wendy. Hindi na. Iban. Okay, nakulat ka ba?
Samuel Lebron and Cyrene Vergara, can you proceed to court number 8, please? Samuel Lebron and Cyrene Vergara, can you proceed to court number 8, please?
Nag-service ka. Sabihin mo sa kanya. Kasi beating niya.
On court number 2. On court 2, Harvey Manico of APPPT, Tina Miranda of HPDA versus Angelo Mendoya and Sunita Flores of CNBC. Court 2, Harvey Manico, Tina Miranda versus Angelo Mendoya and Sunita Flores. Court 2. Earl Wambango, Menchi Hernandez, Alpadiel Kashmir, and Marian Pius. Can you proceed court number 1, please?
Ate Wendy, yung babantayan mo, sabihin mo sa kanya.
Nice one. Gigil na, gigil.
isang
Nakakapano yan.
galit niya ba ito? Kaya kung sipag ka lang, kami namin yan eh.
Gagalaw. O, di na. Kaya pag kami nagdadalo, tugi ako.
Pag nagkamag ka kuya Ivan, isang balik mo na play ulit naman.
Kapag kami
3-2. 2-3.
Nice one!
Recover. Okay, magmadali ha. Ready sa play.
Ako, tanggal. Hindi na kaya pa na.
Ladies,
Kahit doubles yan. May ibabalik na yun.
ladies and gentlemen, on court number 1, mixed double C, Anthony John Michael Llamas, Eric Rodriguez versus Rafael Parra and AC Picado. Court 1, John Michael Llamas, Eric Rodriguez, Rafael Parra and AC Picado. Court number 1. On court number 3, Ariel Llamas,
Nice one!
Versus Jerome Serrano and Ron Alar of SPTC. Quarter 5, Noel Robertas, Jamel Almonte versus Jerome Serrano and Ron Alar.
Nice one! Okay, magmadali. Okay. Magmadali. Nice. Okay.
Nice one!
Pag alanganin mo kung pilitin mo, di ka na malakas. Wala ka sa posisyon.
Kaya ba na?
Huli ka doon.
Tayo saan eh, kaya
Hindi, mabilis pa yun.
Yun.
Hindi ka marap sila yun. Hindi ka marap sila, hindi ko ayun. Umaga, hindi, ang lapit, nandito sa bigyan to. Tama, sir. Gober. Hindi, gigigil, gober. Yan o. Ngayon pa rin. Ano? Mabait.
Ay!
Padiinan po yung kanyang pag
Ladies and gentlemen, on court 6, Mark De Castro, Nicole Martinez, United International Sipa, versus Rachel Alonso and Luis Aliar. Court 6, Mark De Castro, Nicole Martinez, Rachel Alonso, Luis Aliar, Court 6. Court number 7, Delvin Acuy, Joan Ala, Mark Ortega of Mapua, WWGA, Teresa May Guzman of Southside Pacers. Court 7, Delvin Acuy, Joan Ala versus Mark Ortega and Teresa May Guzman. Court 7.
Dad kasi siya.
Nakalimutan ko sa inyo natin yung susunod.
Kaya nga.
Hindi niya kita.
John Michael Eliasas and Mary Ann Linus, kindly proceed to court number 1, please. John Michael Eliasas and Mary Ann Linus, kindly proceed to court number 1, please.
Next call. 13-8. 13-8.
Oo nga. Ulit-ulit ka, no?
Outside. 14.
Final ball for Samuel Ebron and Sainin Vergara. Final ball for Samuel Ebron and Sainin Vergara. Kindly proceed to court number 1. Final ball for Samuel Ebron and Sainin Vergara. Kindly proceed to court number 1 immediately, please.
Grabe. 13-7.
Tapusin niyo na, tapusin niyo na.
Tapusin, tapusin. Oh. Tapusin, tapusin.
On court number 10.
8-13, sige, dalawa lang.
Jackie Benecruz and Gian Baez versus John EJ Donos and Dominic Bautista. Court 10, Terry Benecruz, Gian Baez, John EJ Court 10.
Butas na butas yun.
Tapusin, tapusin.
Court 10, please. Umpire court 10. Umpire court 10.
Ay man, nagagawa niyo tinuturo ko. Parang si Iyat sasabihin na ng ginawa. Nakakita ko ha.
Ganda ng laban.
Idoy Romeldas, Jamel Almonte.